Hi today I'm going to show you how to add numbers on a number line. So you're going to need a ruler or something nice and straight and your grey lead. If you'd like, you can use another colour as well so that you can see the addition. So the first step is to rule your number line. So get your ruler and rule a nice line across your page. Okay. The next step is we need to have a starting number. When we're adding, we don't quite need an end number until we get our answer. So when we're adding two numbers, we need to look at which number is the larger number. The larger number here is 12. So that's going to be our starting number. So I'm going to write the number 12 here. The next step is to have a look at how much we need to add. So the number that I need to add to 12 is 7. So I'm going to have to jump 7 numbers to add 7 to 12. So I can do it using my part whole, so I could jump 5 and 2, or I can do 7 single jumps. I'm going to do 7 single jumps today, and then another day I can show you part whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's step 1. Now, so that I can understand what's going on in your brain if I have a look at your work, I would like you to show how many you are adding for each jump. So again, if you were doing 5 and 2, you would write add 5 over the top of your larger jump. So I'm going to write add 1 on top of each of these jumps because each of these jumps represent one number. So I have 7 jumps in total. Now what I'm going to do is write the numbers underneath my number line. So I have 13, 14, 15. It's really important during this part that you write your number directly under each time the jump lands. In fact, you can extend that a little bit longer so that you know. If you just write any numbers along here, the addition doesn't count anymore. Okay, I've stopped at 19. That means that 19 is the largest number on my number line. That also means that 19 is my answer. Today I want you to have a go at the number line activities that are in the files section. If you have any questions, I'll be online for you. Have a great day.